Losing the spotlight. A deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, lose the spotlight. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what it exactly means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and explore how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. To lose the spotlight means to no longer be the center of attention or to stop being in a prominent position where everyone notices you. The phrase originates from the literal spotlight used in theaters and shows, which highlights the main performer. When someone loses the spotlight, they're no longer in that main, illuminated position, metaphorically speaking. Let's put lose the spotlight into context with some examples. In entertainment, an actor who was once a leading star in movies but now rarely appears in them might be said to have lost the spotlight. In professional life, if a top employee starts getting overlooked for promotions or major projects, they might feel they've lost the spotlight at work. In social settings, when a popular student in school suddenly finds themselves out of the social circle, they might feel they have lost the spotlight among their peers. Now, how can you use this phrase in your sentences? Here are a few tips. Expressing change in status. Use it when you want to talk about someone or something that has experienced a decrease in popularity or attention. Discussing feelings. It's also useful for expressing how someone feels about not being in the limelight anymore. Analyzing situations. This phrase is perfect for discussions about shifts in trends, public interest, or leadership positions. Understanding and using phrases like lose the spotlight can add depth to your conversations and help you express complex ideas more naturally. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about the rich expressions that convey the nuances of human experiences. We hope this video sheds some light on how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to step into the spotlight in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!